Hello everyone, and this is my partner Colin, and I'm Johnson. We are from Taiwan, and today we are going to first we want to thanks about the committee that we are here. Thanks, Brian. And today we are talking about autonomous car based on ROS. As you are a beginner, maybe you start from tutorial 101 to 10 and learning about ROS. And we are thinking, where is the real robot I can really play on ROS? So actually, you just need a small router, a computer, and a Duckietown bunny car. Yes, it's based on Raspberry Pi, Ubuntu 16.04, and ROS Kinetic. And we're a team, and yeah, especially thanks to Joseph and Nick and Hongyi. Okay, let's demo.
This project was based on MIT's Duckietown, and MIT Duckietown is a material for the course of their autonomous course. And last semester in Taiwan, Professor Nick Wang gave us a chance to. Professor Nick Wang taught us about the computer vision, and we use this as material too.
Maybe we can see later.
We also signed for the bird of the further, and we will explain the how this works. And we have to do some more research about real time and ROS2. And I think the time is run out, so we can see the robot work later. Thank you.